Hey, good morning, everyone. Today's Saturday, March 15th, 2025. Short video on the stocks five stocks I'm gonna be watching. Of course, I'm always looking at pretty much everything, but these five are my favorite for the next week. Starting off with the ACMR long-term hold that I have in my account, average around $19. Yeah, it's been really strong lately, even though the markets are not doing that great. Um, Friday we had a nice relief rally, and you can see she already is going like breaking out that 28 zone and potentially hitting 30 next week, hopefully. And yeah, that's it for ACMR. My target with this stock is it's probably 40 to $50. Weeks, months ahead. I don't care. Think it's a good hold for the long term. And next one is Rocket. After the news about acquiring Redfin, you see it dip hard into the 23 Fibonacci, 23% Fibonacci, bounced off right that line, uh, and then you can see it come back now to the 38 Fibonacci. Now I expect it to consolidate around that area, 14 to 15 or so for a while and then break out and continue the uptrend that's been uh that's been doing ever since back at the beginning of the year. And yeah, targets in this one, my average is around about 13 bucks. And yeah, I'm looking up to, like I said, months ahead, 6, 12 months, probably 18 to 20 bucks. Um, WRD, I think, yeah, Nvidia has an investment in this company. News came out, it just went crazy, gapped up, and then it's been selling off ever since, pretty hard. They reported, I believe they reported Friday, Thursday or Friday, and better than expected the report earnings. So yeah, you get a push out of this consolidation around 15 bucks, hitting the 50-day moving average now. Definitely a possibility of hitting that 23 Fibonacci around 19 to 20 bucks next week. And yeah, for this one, I'm a little bit down because I started buying around here. Over here, I thought it was gonna bounce and then flushed. And once it started basing on the 15 or so area, I started accumulating a little bit, added and decreased my average to around 20 bucks. I do own about 350 shares of this one. Uh, if anything happens or like if it gets weak for any reason, well, I might have to bail out at around 15, 16 bucks support area, but hopefully that doesn't happen and it comes back up to around this 24 level and it becomes a profitable trade. Expectation, come over here, consolidate, break out 24s, 28s, and hopefully we get a plus trade. Now, two that I'm watching for potential day trades. RGC, you can see that big pop looking into T plus one, day three on Monday. Maybe short start, little trap. It never faded hard, so you might have some shorts trapped around, this area over here. Volume came down substantially, so that's pretty much normal after the first day, second day consolidates, but we'll see if it can push back at least to 13 or so. Ideally, let me see if I can get to a 3 minute chart. The thing is, just went backside for a while here. This is a 50-day moving average over here. But as long as it holds that 12, it's a go for me. And even if it drops to around this previous resistance of 1150 or so, I might start a position small and then build on it if if it can continue the uptrend. And if I do that 1150, then I'll place a stop around here. That probably risk $1, 1050 or so this line. Targets will be obviously this resistance area if I can get it at between 12 and 1250, or maybe even on a dip to 1175 or 50. Targets around 13 to 1350. Scale out and then probably stay with a core and see if this thing can go crazy and continue and breaks that high. The I believe it's like $16. That'll be a huge short squeeze though, but we'll see. Um, yeah, you see, probably not. But if I can get a dip and then a bounce to around 13 or 14, I'll be selling. And then the last one be I think they had news on Friday yesterday. They reported earnings and I think they missed. That's what I read. Even though they missed, they got a positive reaction from the market and hit that. I think aftermarket it hit almost 180 something. Let's go to the 3 minute again. Oh, I don't have over here. I don't have a aftermarket. I have it in the Thinkorswim, but it went to like 180. You guys can check it out. Plan is to maybe 150 over under. Um, get a few shares 150 over under, and then see if it jumps goes back to 180 or so, maybe two over under. That's it for me. Good luck next week. I'm not a financial advisor. Um, this is just my ideas. I'm speaking my mind here. So not recommendations at all. You guys take care and have a good one. Good weekend.